Ford recently issued a safety recall for 4.3 million vehicles experiencing a total shutdown of the trailer electrical system. The official fix for this communication failure is a free over-the-air software update from Ford or a quick reprogramming at your dealership. This vital update entirely eliminates the glitch responsible for disabling your trailer brakes and lights. This widespread recall targets popular models like the F-150, F-250 Super Duty, Maverick, and Expedition. The root cause stems from a critical software vulnerability inside the integrated trailer module. When starting your engine, a software race condition occurs between this module and the main control network. This timing error forces the module to drop all communication with the truck. Once this breakdown happens, the trailer brake lights and turn signals become totally unresponsive. In many cases, the electronic trailer brakes also suffer a complete loss of function. This creates a highly dangerous towing scenario and severely reduces your ability to stop safely. Drivers typically see a trailer brake module fault warning on the dashboard when the system crashes. No physical hardware replacement is needed to resolve this dangerous system failure. The newly released software patch correctly aligns the startup sequence so the module establishes a secure connection. If your truck has automatic updates enabled, the factory file will download and install securely over your home Wi-Fi or cellular network. If you prefer not to wait for the wireless deployment, Ford dealerships are authorized to flash the corrected software immediately. The service takes under an hour to complete and is completely free. You should strictly avoid towing heavy loads until you verify the latest safety software is actively running on your vehicle.